The plan here is to strip off the top layer of poly and a little bit, hopefully, of the golden oak stain color that's on this beautiful table that we found at a thrift store. Then I am going to sand it down with the help of my husband. You'll see him here in a few because this was the longest sanding project maybe of my life, but that's okay. I enjoy it. My right arm does not. That's why he helped. But it turns out beautiful. I'm so excited to show you guys. So stay tuned. So somehow I lost the footage of scraping off the top layer of poly and stain. Doesn't really matter anyway. It wasn't coming off very well. I think maybe I did get a very fine, thin layer of the poly. And I was going to do a second coat, but I kind of just realized that it was such a thin layer that was left on. I went ahead and started sanding. And while it did take some grit and muscle, we did get through it. Like I said, it took a while. But in the end, maybe I could have done a second coat. I'm not sure. I've used Citrus Strip before, and it worked really well this time. I don't know what happened. So you'll see in the end.